Today we're going to be opening up and starting the LEGO Ideas Kit 21327, although it's LEGO Ideas number 35, typewriter replica. It is an 18 plus adult version of LEGO, which was something I'd never previously heard of, and it has 2,079 pieces. And for display purposes, it comes with a letter from the LEGO guy. And supposedly does some moving and stuff. So we shall see. We shall see. First, we're going to get her open. Just trying to figure out what the minimum number of such things. That's heavy. Well, see, based on that, it looks like that's a 9. 11! Yay! Alright. So immediately I'm a little scared. So we have a white banded bag with a number on it for every number except 3. That's a little worrying. Unless that's supposed to be 3. But it's the same as... Two small ones, small 6, 2 3s, a 4 and 5, and a 7. Stickers. Where do we get that? Stickers. A book of letters. Oh, I see. They're all in different languages. Those I'm going to say are finishing touches. And then there's the instruction book. How many steps are we looking at here? 340 steps. Well, yesterday was typewriter day. The first commercial typewriter was invented or patented or released or something. One bag. Look, honestly, I don't know why they do that. Because invariably I'm going to need this like almost immediately, and that means I got to open it up. And I'm going to, what am I going to do with it? I'm going to put it with everything else anyway. So why separate it? Why? Why not put it with this? Like, honestly. If there's a thought, LEGO. You're talking about reducing plastic. I got a suggestion for you. But again, here's what I mean. Like, why is that in separate bags? Why? I can tell the difference between it quite easily. This could have all been in the same bag. And it's not like all of this stuff is going to be built first and then maybe some of it. No. It's going to be a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of this. I'm going to have to open up that. It's all going to have to be opened up. This is the part about LEGO that drives me absolutely bananas. Could have all been one bag. All of it. So, getting back to the topic at hand. Based on the instructions, bag 1, 2, 3, and 4 are going to build the keyboard. here it is at section 8. We've completed 7 sections of it so far, and what we have created to this point is, as you can see, it moves the carriage. No matter what key you push, it's the same thing, and then at some point you have to push it back. Completed Lego manual typewriter kit. Not the hardest kit I've ever done, but not the easiest one either. The one improvement the instructions had over previous ones. So the instructions have always given you, this idea, how many pieces, whatever. But they've added these little numbers, which are pretty cool, because that is the equivalent of a 4-brick piece. And then you get that. So you don't even have to count it. That is life size. That's 1-to-1 scale. So you find the piece that matches that, and you're good to go. And then you just need one of them. And it's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. So that's an improvement on the instructions, and I really like that. But now, getting back to this, is it a functional typewriter? Well, sort of. I mean, it certainly can mimic a functional typewriter. You gotta love the little detail. It comes with an entire book of letters from the head of Lego in just about any language you could possibly want. And of course, because you can change the keys, it's a QWERTY, but it doesn't have to be a QWERTY. It can be any other type. So is it functional? Well, no, of course not, because there's only the one piece. The one arm, the one key, the one striker, the one whatever you want to call it. And then of course when you get to the end, you push it back and start all over, just like you would a real typewriter. So as far as a tool goes, it's pretty wicked awesome. It came with all of these, you know, little arms and the world's shortest ribbon, and you even have a switch for controlling whether you're on black ink or red ink. And then of course all of that. Look at that. It even makes the noise. That's an authentic manual typewriter noise, my friend. I mean, the one advantage that this has over a real manual typewriter is there's only one key, so you're never going to get, you know, this is a recreation of, well, I can't, it won't even go up. But you used to get like all the keys up at one time. You get these things. So yeah, it was a good kit. I've put an additional piece down here because I found that the bumpers kept coming off on the space bar, but normally that space bar would go down just a teeny bit more because it's got these little rubber bumpers on all of the keys, so you get that feel of a real keyboard. Yeah, I think we're gonna shoot the bear typing, particularly since you can't do any damage to it. Okay, there you go, man. This is, and again, if you ever had an actual manual typewriter, usually you could see the guts underneath. On this one you can't, although I do wish it had cover over here, but whatever. That is an awesome kit.